Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is going to be mostly like a chill day. We're going to be cleaning up the kitchen and the living room. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the music, enjoy the sounds. It's going to be probably like a ASMR type video. But if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Leah Janae and it is a pleasure to meet you. So please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into the video.
focus on following you, 'cause you said you're coming soon. Coming like a thief in the night, yeah, yeah. You're just a relief and delight, yeah, yeah. And look at how you paid the price when you gave your life so I could have mine. So I'ma do what you say, and I pray I can walk in your ways. I'm so grateful for you and your grace. God forbid I ever trip and be led astray. No way.
When you stood right there, oh, I know I wanna be next to you. I've been getting tired of this old place. Make me wanna go back to my old ways, no. Sit me down until the lofi. Focus on the Lord until the lows day. I don't wanna wait until the moonlight. Suffered and he died is for this new life. Looking for the light running from the darkness. It wasn't for me, no, it wasn't for me. I wanna be holy, it wasn't for free. Gave his life for me, gave his life for me. We should be thinking it over. Got my cup running over. They focus on the moonlight. Don't lose focus, just hold tight. I don't wanna wait for the moonlight, yeah. So I'm running all the way right back to you, yeah. Wanna see the day when you stand right here.
It is so pretty outside today. I chose to take the stairs because just to give myself a little extra workout today. I took 2 days off from the gym. I know that's not too bad, but I kind of feel bad. I don't know why I feel like that. I feel like I'm a loser or something if I miss 2 days of the gym. So I'm taking the stairs. We're about to take a little nature walk, you know, just to get some breeze, get some trees, get some sunlight. We made it to level 1. Let's go. I don't know where I want to go first. Outside, it's like 68. Okay, I feel like I want to go this way first. And y'all, the sun looks so good today. I thought it was going to be cloudy today, but the sun ended up coming out. So I'm going to go ahead and get some cool nature shots, and y'all going to see it in the video. Okay, as I'm walking, I just remembered at this apartment over here, they have a park. So I'm thinking about going over there, guys. And they also have some swings. Y'all know I'm still a kid at heart. I still will go on some swings if somebody told me to go on some swings. I think I'm gonna go this way because I'm not sure where it's at, but I'm just gonna take this route. That's the part. Do I see swings? Yeah, we're just slightly swaying. It's not really like a huge swing. Look, dun dun dun. There's really nobody here. Like, there's nobody here. Okay, so that'll be the end of this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure you leave a comment if you're new here watching. Please also leave a like and subscribe for more, and see you guys in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.